In this video, I will show you how to fix YouTube not showing comments. There are only two main reasons why comments don't appear: the creator setting or your own YouTube account setting. I will walk you through both so you can get your comments back instantly. Let's get started. So open the YouTube app on your iPhone or Android. So go to youtube.com on your computer. Now tap on your profile icon. It might be in the top right or bottom right depending on your device. Now tap the setting gear icon and go to general. Here's where the problem usually happens. Look for a setting called restricted mode. Restricted mode filters and blocks certain content, and it can also hide comments on some videos. If it's turned on, simply turn it off, then go back and check if comments are now visible. If comments still aren't showing, open your browser and search "Is YouTube down?" Click on a site like Down Detector. If you see a huge spike in outage reports, then YouTube is temporarily experiencing issues, and comments won't load until the servers are back up. In this case, you will just need to wait. If everything on your end looks fine, then the issue might be with your video you are watching. For example, search for kids channel like Vlad and Nikki. Open any video and you will notice there are no comments at all. That's because videos made for kids have comments disabled by default. YouTube does this automatically. So if the video is marked made for kids, you simply won't see comments. Even if a video isn't for kids, the creator might have chosen to limit comments. So creators can turn comments off, pause comments, block comments with certain keywords, block comments with include links, automatically hold comments, and profanity of or adult language. So if you have left a comment and don't see it, the creator's filters may be hiding it. To test this, try commenting something simple like "Hi" or "Great video." If that comment appears instantly or another channel, it means the original creator comment settings are blocking your previous comment. So to recap, YouTube comments don't show up because your YouTube settings, especially restricted mode, YouTube server issues, video made for kids, and the creator's comment filter. Check each of these one by one and your comments should start appearing again. I hope you like the video. That's it for today. Thank you for watching.